In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Mailchimp password if you forgot your login. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and head over to the Mailchimp login page. When you arrive, click Login at the top of the page. Just below the password field, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click that. This is the quickest way to securely get back into your account without guessing passwords or locking yourself out. On the next screen, enter the username connected to your Mailchimp account. If you use more than one, pick the one you normally sign in with. Then click Reset Password. This tells Mailchimp to send a secure email to the address on file for that username. Now open your email inbox. Give it a minute if you don't see anything right away, and be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Look for a message from Mailchimp with password reset instructions. When you find it, open the email and click the button labeled Reset Your Password. For security, the link in that email may expire after a short time, so it's best to act promptly. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it in, then confirm the new password by entering it again, and click Reset Password to finish. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and that both entries match exactly. In some cases, you may also see an option to send instructions to confirm the change. If that appears, click Send Instructions. Then open your email inbox again. Look for the new password reset email from Mailchimp. Open it, and click Reset Your Password. You'll repeat the same process. Enter a new password, confirm the new password, and click Reset Password. This extra step helps ensure your account is fully secured and that you're the one making the change. Once that's done, return to the Mailchimp login page and sign in using your new password. If you still can't log in, double-check that you used the correct username and that you typed the new password exactly as you said it. Consider saving the new password in a reputable password manager so you won't have to reset it again. That's it. Your Mailchimp password is successfully reset, and you're ready to get back to work.